Here we are in section 2.1, numbers 10 through 15. We're going to be adding and subtracting and multiplying scientific notation. So we know with adding, oh shoot, look at this. These are not the same. They're not like things, so we have to get them there. And our rule is that we can move this up one if we take this to the left. So we go left here and up one there. So let's rewrite what we have. If it moves it over there, we have 0.25 times 10 to the negative 9 plus 4.9 times 10 to the negative 9. Oh, if we do that, now when we add them, we get 5. 2 plus 9 is 11. Carry the 1. 5.15. And what do we do with these? Times 10 to the negative 9. All these really meant was that the actual decimal place is over this way 9 places. And that's all that meant. So now we have lined up the decimals correct, and that's the key, is making sure that this 2 and this 9 match up. All right, let's try another one. 7.3 times 10 to the 7th minus 4.1 times 10 to the 7th. Oh, good. They're already the same, so we can just write them down how they are. Minus 4.1 times 10 to the 7th. Oh, look at that. They're both at times 10 to the 7th. So that's what our answer will end up being. 3 minus 1 is 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3.2 times 10 to the 7th. Oh, good. Number 12. Ooh, multiplication. Now you'll notice in multiplication, these guys don't have to be the same at all. And that's good for us because those are ways away. 4.3 times 10 to the 18th times 2.1 times 10 to the 79th. All right, let's do the multiplication here. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. Next level, put a 0 here. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. And add these guys, and we get 3, 0, 1, 9. So the decimal place in multiplication, there's 1, 2 behind the decimal, so there's 1, 2 right there. 9.03. Now, what do we do with the times 10 to the? Do we remember? Times 10 to the? We add. Add these together. 18 plus 79 is 97. So 9.03 times 10 to the 97th, and we got it. All right, let's do the next one here. We're adding. Uh-oh, again, we're not the same thing. We got to make this one go up 2 in order to have it times 10 to the 6th so we can add like things. So this decimal has to go left 1, 2. So this is 4.283 times 10 to the 6th plus, let's get this decimal in the right place, 0.09 times 10 to the 6th. Good, now we've got it so they're lined up all right. 3 comes down, 8 plus 9 is 17. 1 plus 2 is 3, the decimal goes right there. 4.373 times 10 to the 6th. Oh, good. Number 14. Let's try this one. Again, we're multiplying. They don't have to be alike for multiplication. We can just do it normally. 4.7 times 10 to the 4th times 9.71 times 10 to the negative 11. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 4 is 4. Put a 0 there. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times 4 is 28. Plus 4 is 32. And, oh, we got a third row here. So we got to put 2 zeros there. 9 times 7 is 3. Put a 6. 9 times 4 is 36. Plus 6 is 42. Dang, maybe we should have switched those and put those on top of the 9.71 on top. But we can do it. 7 here. 4 plus 9 is 13. Carry the 1. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4. Now, where does that decimal go? Sheepers. We got 1, 2, 3 right here behind it. So we're 1, 2, 3. Right there. And times 10 to the, what do we do with those? We add them together. 4 and a negative 11 is a negative 7. Oh, hey, that looks pretty nice, except for one minor problem. This is not scientific notation. In order to be official scientific notation, we have to put the decimal right there. So left, and it goes up 1. So this really is 4.5637 times 10 to the negative 7 plus 1 is negative 6. Whew, that was a tough one. All right, and the last one, number 15. Ooh, they're not the right things, so let's make them the right things. Let's turn this one into a negative 5. Now, we could turn that one into a negative 4, but either way, so this has to go down 1. So this guy has to go, let me see, left will take it up. Going right will take it down. So this has to go to the right one. 75.4 times 10 to the negative 5 minus 2 times 10 to the negative 5. Oh, that's good. 4, 3, 7. That's 73.4 times 10 to the negative 5. All right, is that scientific notation? It is not. The decimal has to go with one thing to the left. So right here, boom, 7.34 times 10 to the, if this went left, this went up. So this is negative 4. And maybe you can see that if we would have moved this up to the negative 4 by adding 1 and moving this decimal over 1.2, we would have actually been able to get it so that this simplification would have already been done. So if you take it up to the highest number, it might be a little bit shorter, but in this you didn't have any choice. You still had to do that simplification at the end. Okay, there you go.